Hi, sweethearts. How are you doing? So today is on Saturday. Okay, I've just started the vlog. Okay, let me just welcome you all. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And if this is your first time here, karibu sana. Visitors, that's what I'm trying to say. So guys, I'm just from work. Don't mind how I look. Yes, I'm just from work. Today is on Saturday, man. So a friend of mine got me a wine, and because I have a fridge, nimeifungua first of all, nikaiweka kwa fridge. I'll be showing you the wine right now. And I also got this package from Jumia, and yeah, we'll unbox it together, guys. Okay, stay tuned. Guys, I just woke up from the time I came from work, and just look at this. All this mess, I'm supposed to clear it out. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Actually, one thing I hate the most is cleaning things. Hush. But anyway, let's get into it and see whether we're gonna be done by 9. Hi, sweetheart. How are you doing? So today is on Sunday, and I decided to show you Sunday in my life and everything that I'm gonna be doing today. So I just woke up right now. It's around 7, and took all the bed sheets. I'm gonna be cleaning them right now. And also, there are some few clothes that I had soaked yesterday, but one. Yes, but I didn't get time to wash them. So today is the day. And sorry, if you're new here, my good name is Racy KIMM. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting me. And today I feel like I have a lot of errands to run. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be tagging you along. So yeah, let me show you. I have a few clothes. Let me just show you. Guys, I forgot to tell you that I got new hairstyle. Look at it. My goodness. I feel like it looks so beautiful in it. But anyway, guys, let's head to nenda wapi, sokoni, to the market, and we go to think twice, then we go to budget wear. Yani today is all about soko, thrift, kununua. Just wait. Wait, and I'll tag you along in everything that I'm gonna be doing today. I'm sorry, yesterday I didn't tag you along, but today I will do, and I'll make sure I'll do, because you're my family. Let's head out. And yo, guys, I'm back, and let me tell you what. Today is the first time like I'm buying things to put in my fridge for the very first time. And yeah, as you can see, ile decoration iko hapo, it's not meant to be there, but I just felt like it's nice when it's there, but I'm taking it to the bathroom in a few. It's only because I've not started my bathroom makeover and all that, but for now it will stay there. Now let's get to the video. I'm from the market, and I got whatever I wanted to get. I passed by Eastmart. I got everything that I wanted, and I feel like, yeah, it's time now to organize that fridge, that mini fridge I have. And yeah, let's get started. onions are here, plus this ginger. I got this ginger 15 bob, and yeah, that one is ready. And the sweet potatoes here, I just want to boil them and put them in the fridge. And I also want to boil the yams too. And yeah, guys, that's all for today. I don't think there's any other thing left. Let me see you back where while logging out this video. Oh my god. Imagine all these clothes. I'm supposed to fold them and take them to my closet. I think on Wednesday I'll still shoot this video as it is, because I feel like I have a lot to do. Oh my goodness. But yeah, no problem.